Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start DevOps practices with Docker, complete guide step by step clearly. To start DevOps practices with Docker, begin by understanding the fundamentals of DevOps and its importance in software development. Familiarize yourself with Docker, a platform that automates the deployment of applications within lightweight containers. Download and install Docker Desktop from the official Docker website. Ensure your system meets the necessary requirements for running Docker. Once installed, launch Docker Desktop to complete the initial setup. Now, check that Docker is running correctly by opening your command line interface and typing Docker version. This command will display the Docker version installed on your machine. Next, create a simple Docker file to understand how containerization works. In an empty directory, create a file named Dockerfile without any extension. Open the Docker file in a text editor and specify a base image. For example, you can start with a simple node.js image by adding the line, from node to 14. Next, set the working directory inside the container using the command, workdir/app. Copy your application files into the container using the command, copy. Now, if your application requires dependencies, add the relevant command to install them. For a node.js application, this would be run. To specify how your application should be run, add the command cmd node app.js. Save the Docker file. The next step is to build your Docker image using the terminal. Navigate to the directory containing your Docker file and run the command docker build tmyapp. Replace myapp with your desired image name. Once the image is built, confirm it by running the command docker images. To run your container, execute the command docker run dp3000:3000 myapp. This will start your application in a detached mode and map port 3000 of the container to port 3000 on your host. To verify your application is running, open a web browser and visit http://localhost 3000. Now integrate Docker into your continuous integration and continuous deployment CI/CD pipeline. Choose a CI/CD tool that supports Docker, such as Jenkins, GitLab CI, or Circle CI. Set up your pipeline by defining steps that include building the Docker image and running tests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.